A turning point for tilapia culture. Many people became interested in cultivating tilapia, and one reason for it was the ability of tilapia to multiply but rapidly, but this asset soon turned out to be a disadvantage because the mint limit profit such was the condition of tilapia culture until Rafael Dineros Guerrero came along. Rafi was born in Manila on August 7, 1944. His early interest in nature made him acquainted with several plants, animals, and insects. Early in childhood, he learned to be a responsible person. One of his household chores was to get to tether and then milk the goats. The family had quite a number of goats, which were the usual form of payment that clients give to him lower father. Other household chore was washing dishes and cleaning the bathroom for his paternal grandmother. Also, these tasks were not welcome for a growing boy. The experience served him well when he became a working student at the University of the Philippines. He had earned a scholarship because he graduated with honor from high school, but the scholarship covered only his tuition. His father could send him only a small allowance, so he had to get his expenses for books and other needs from others sources. His first job was washing dishes at the school cafeteria. He majored in zoology, and after getting his Bachelor of Science degree, he became a teacher at the university. The following year, he accepted a teaching job at the Mindanao Agriculture College in Musuan, Bukidnon. Upon his arrival, he was promptly assigned to restock an old fish pond which was almost empty and which had broken fish viewing glass panels through. He had little knowledge in fisheries. He accepted a challenge. He went to the Bureau of Fisheries, now Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of RBFAR in Tanay, Rizal, and brought back to Musuan carp fingerlings. Then he raised funds for glass panels to replace and broken ones. Rafi had another challenge, which was also related to fisheries. A nearby take had dried up and Rafi was asked to turn into a pan. Through, through Rafi and no knowledge of hydrology, he took the job. He asked some engineer friends to assist him in accomplishing that task. Rafi decided to apply reversal to the blue tilapia. After 2 years of intense work, the final
Succeeded.
succeeded in converting tilapia fry young fish to an all-male population. Rafi's
Remarkable.
remarkable accomplishment is recognized the whole world over. He has been in, invited to different countries interested in the dependent on the fruit of fish research. He has inspired many Filipinos to engage in tilapia culture. His research was a major factor in the refined, made it the world leader in tilapia farming. In 1995, he was awarded the Presidential Lingkod Bayan Award from his outstanding contribution to aquaculture technology. Aside from different projects in aquamarine culture, Rafi also helped tirelessly to restore Manila
Bay.
Bay. His aim is to make it a tourist attraction once more and a source of livelihood and food for city dwellers instead of the downsides that it has become. We must reach and hearts and minds of people. We must remind them that we are all stewards of the earth and that we should be safeguarding our resources of future generations. Rafi says with conviction.